The Flowmaster Super 10 Muffler 843015 delivers an extremely aggressive exhaust note that gives muscle cars and off-road builds a raw, race-inspired character. Its compact case and straight-through center inlet and outlet layout make it easy to tuck into tight custom exhaust systems without complicated fabrication. The internal chamber design uses Flowmaster Delta Flow style technology to speed up exhaust gases, helping the engine breathe more freely. Drivers often notice crisper throttle response and stronger mid-range pull after installing this muffler on a performance-oriented setup. Heavy-gauge 409 stainless steel construction and full-metal inert gas welds allow it to survive high heat, vibration, and harsh weather with minimal corrosion. For enthusiasts who want their vehicle to sound like a track car on the street, this muffler offers a loud, unapologetic tone that stands out from milder performance options.